I don't really want to drive it. I'll get close to it. Hey, my Toy Story cycle's right there.
Oh. You can get it when you're done. Say something to TT.
Thank you, TT.
You don't have to back up. Go forward. No, you won't.
It's breathing. I'll put it back.
She won't ever get enough when she gets a little touch. If I had it my way, you know that I'd make her say. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Okay. Ready?
I want you on the edge.
The edge.
Yeah, hold my car.
Ready?
Hold it.
I am. Ah! Go ahead. Oh, side. All right, go. All right, stop.
Stop.
Okay, turn the wheel so you can correct the wheel.
This.
Yep. All right, go. Forward, not back. No, go forward.
I don't want to go forward.
Why?
I don't want to.
Go ahead.
Go back.
Oh, you want me to do it?
Don't. Oh.
Go forward. No, not backwards. You're gonna get stuck.
Mama,
You're gonna get stuck in the mud. Go forward, baby.
I want to.
Why?
It's scary.
No, forward's better than backwards. Backwards is scarier.
No, backwards is.
Do you want me to go forward?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, you videotape.
Videotape. Why? You keep moving.
Here.
I'll get this.
Here.
Alright, Mama. Videotape. I'm gonna learn how you to drive. Go!